This is day 2 after the surgery. I feel generally well. I had a really good pain management. The staff have been wonderful. I've been helped a lot. From now on, I just hope I'll have a quick recovery so that I'll go back to my activities really soon. And yes, I've seen the results. I know this is not the final result, but I'm really satisfied with what I've seen so far, and I hope it will get better. Hello, I'm a patient at AG Plastic Surgery. This is me 4 weeks after my surgery, my procedure. I had tumors, benign tumors or masses extraction with a breast reduction, and so far it's been better than what I expected. I was expecting the experience to be more difficult, more painful, but since the surgery, I was well managed, and so far everything has been nice. This is 4 weeks. The wounds are healing well, and I am feeling much better.